se seo iontach go mé Sacar Beo TG4 agus ócáid staidúlaí chomá mar gon chéadú a riamh be Sraithe náisiúnta na man in éidir á thuspáint Beo agus be se le feiceáil Beo TG4 agus tá chusásta go mé mé haon páirrtaáin ach chomá lei sin chusásta go nach féchanna écasúna sin an caiid an iontach pelle tá sa tí se.
I think bring TG4 in, you see what it's done for the ladies Gaelic football, and I'm so thankful for that. Like even my grandparents that can't make matches and stuff, they can still watch it. TG4, honestly, I think even us all hearing it today, like it's brilliant news and we're all really excited. It brings that bit more atmosphere to the game as well, and knowing that it's going to be on live television and we can go back and watch it on TG4. Like you're on an Irish broadcast, so like what more could you want?
It's brilliant. Obviously, it's going to push on the league even more. Women's football in Ireland right now is growing and it keeps on going. There's lots of more kids around, even learning the names and shouting on and cheering on for each team, and it's great to see. And obviously we see more girls playing football now. Obviously they're looking up to all of us, so it's good.
I'm starting now to go down to the academy, and even there I feel like there's more girls going down and wanting to try it out. It's like great exposure for the league, and hopefully like we can get more players and that'll make the league better every year.
There's no big wins or big losses in the league much anymore. At the top then it's getting more competitive. It's not as one-sided or two-sided at the top. There's kind of 5 or 6 teams now that are pushing for the league, and it's just going to keep getting better as it goes, because there is a lot more competitiveness in the league, and it is definitely raising the standard of the league as well.
It's new iontaigh gur Sacar na man in Éireann. Tá was fairmhic so TG4 chun an deisio hort don Sraithe. Tá Sraithe fear omíoch agan in bhliain agus tá snú go mórla na cluiche eiscin Beo ar TG4.
Sacar Beo ag tíocht go gairid ar TG4.